So hello guys, welcome to Techie Topia. So today we are going to talk about VS Code. VS Code is a code editor software in which you can use any language, but in this I will tell you how you can use VS Code in your laptop and PC. How can I install, and in this I am going to tell you how you can do it using Python also. So I had made a video to install Python. So first of all you have to install Python, then you can use it inside VS Code. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, you have to come to your search bar, or you can also search on the browser. You have to type VS Code. After typing VS Code, you have to click on it, then your browser will open. Then from here you will first see the top, it will be visible here. You have to click on the download button. After clicking on the download button, you will get its link. Then you have to select here, download Windows 10 and 11, then you have to click here. After clicking on, above you will see another download button, then you have to click on it again. Then your VS Code will start downloading here. So here VS Code is downloading, so we will let it download. We will go to the file directory from where it has been downloaded. After coming there, we will right-click and click on Open. Then we have Setup here. If it is on, then we have to click on I accept the agreement, and then click on a Next, then your code will be installed here. Then here you have to click on a Next. Once again, Next is here if you want. You can do it or not, but I am doing it. Again, we will click on Next and then click on Install. So here VS Code is getting installed. So here our code has been installed. So after clicking on Finish here, you can see that our VS Code has been turned on. So here after our VS Code is on, we will activate the Python in it. So if you want to leave from here, then we will make it full screen. After full screen, you will see extensions here. So we will click on it. After clicking where we will actually write Python, then after searching Python here. But if I show up first, if you want to install it from here, then it is already installed in mine. I had used it a little before too. So you will install Python from here. After installing Python, you have to search here again. If you have Pylance, then we will search for it also. You can see that our topic has come. We will click on it. This will also be important if you use Python. So you can see this, but you can install it. Take it. And it's ours from before. If it is installed, then you will need another extension. Then you have to search again for Code Runner. After searching Code Runner, you will see it on the top. So if you install it also, then you can see that it is already installed. If it has happened, then we will tell you some settings, then you can do those settings also. If important settings come, then you have to search them zoom, you enable it, and at this place, you have to put 1 in place of whatever number is there. Then you can see that here our zoom 1, which I told you the setting how it is reducing, you can zoom in and zoom out. So with this setting, you can view your code by zoom in and zoom out. So you can see that VS Code has been installed easily without any errors and problems. If you like the video, then do like and subscribe and give a lovely comment. To see more such content, subscribe to Techie Topia